Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I'll be showing you how to raise and lower a 2006 to 2011 BMW 3 Series. Being able to do this will help you perform many maintenance tasks on this car. So let's get started. Some of the things you'll need is a floor jack, a pad to roll around on the ground, and 4 jack stands. You will also need 2 wheel chocks to keep the car from moving. To lift the front of the car, you'll need to look underneath and find a circle with a hard plastic rectangle. This will be the front jacking point to be able to lift the front of the car. So you want to line up your floor jack with that plastic piece. Before lifting the car, make sure that the emergency brake isn't engaged and put the wheel chocks behind the back wheels. First, we'll lift the front of the car. To do that, we'll find the central jacking point, lift the car, then you'll see these rectangle plastic pieces, and you'll want to slide the jack stand underneath it. You'll want to line it up and count the notches on the jack stand so you'll know how high to lift the other jack stand. Driver's side, count the notches. I'll need to add 1 more. Make sure it's secured down. And then you'll slide it underneath the other rectangle piece. Once the jack stands are lined up, slowly lower the floor jack down onto the jack stands. The rear central jack point will be the differential, so you'll want to look for the flat parts towards the back of the differential. And this is where using a rubber puck comes in handy when using a floor jack. So you'll line it up and then start lifting. Once the car is lifted high enough, take the rear passenger jack stand and lift it until it's equal notches as the front of the car. Count to make sure you have the appropriate amount of notches, and then add it to the jack point on the rear passenger side. Then take the rear jack stand on the driver's side and do the same thing. Make sure that all the notches are correct, and then slide it under the rear jack point. Make sure that the levers are turned away from the middle of the car when you lift the jack stands too, so you don't accidentally bump them. I don't know if this applies to only the convertible version or all 3 series, but there's a brace that gets in the way when you try to lift the back of the car. So what you'll want to do to lift the back is bring the jack stand in an angle and not straight through the middle of the car. That way it'll clear the brace. Once your jack stands are lined up, slowly lower the floor jack. Once on jack stands, Lift the jack to whatever corner you'll be working under for extra safety and support. Okay, to lower the car back down, you'll start from the back. Lift the back end up a little bit with the floor jack, and then slide the jack stands out from underneath the car. Then you'll keep the floor jack at an angle and slowly lower it back down. Make sure that they are pressed against the wheel chocks once it's completely lowered. To lower the front, line the floor jack up with the front central jack point. Raise the car up a little bit to get lifted off the jack stands, and then remove the jack stand from underneath the car. Sometimes you have to lift it pretty high to get it to clear the jack stand. And slide out both sides from underneath the car. And lower the floor jack back down. Okay, so that's how you raise and lower a 3 Series BMW. This will allow you to do many fluid changes and maintenance from underneath the car. Please remember that working underneath a car can be dangerous, so please take as many precautions as possible. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Stay safe, and God bless.